Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Just today actually I did a video using color oops to try and lift any more brown that I could, any more brown dye out of my hair that I could before I go forward with trying to lighten again. And it went all right in the front, like, but hold on. Yeah, so this was supposed to be a bleaching video of me recreating my most popular video ever, but I'm like having mixed feelings if I just want to keep this for a little bit, because from the front I do like it. It's like a pretty caramel color, and then with like a tan it looks really pretty, so I'm kind of trying to figure that out right now. Alright guys, I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna try a new technique where, since my hair is thicker, where I'm only doing half of my head at a time. I don't know, but I'm gonna try a new kind of sectioning technique. That's why I look like that right now. So this video, it's so crazy because I did it right before the pandemic and I never expected it to get a lot of views, really, but it ended up getting like 60,000 views in the past couple of years. For me, that's a lot. I'll take it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm using that same exact boxed bleach. It might just have a different picture on the front or a different model, but I can't believe I'm gonna be using this again. I actually have two boxes here in case, and oh my gosh, let's just do it. So this kit comes pretty packed with stuff. We have developer, bleach powder, lightening cream, and an anti-brass conditioner. I'm gonna need that. I'm trying to successfully section this time. So check me out. This is the first section. It's very small, but let's mix the stuff up. So I am kind of rushed right now. I have a feeling that I'm gonna end up doing this half of my head, letting it develop, rinse it, and then do the other half completely separate. And I just think that might work best for me as someone with thick hair. I think I fully saturated this side of my hair. Okay, here we are, a little like over 20 minutes later. I'm freaking out, I'm rushing, but I gotta go rinse. This is the result. I have half of it back in a ponytail right now, just because, as you can see, which often happens after bleaching, it's so like kind of like frizzy and dry, and I'm trying to kind of tame it. Okay, I'm actually really happy that it's not more like orange, but I am going to be doing a toning video right after this. But yeah, this is what I got, which isn't too bad. Like, I could work with this. Okay, we have like the really light yellow up here, and then how when it switches to like the processed hair or whatever, I don't like that part right there, but I think the toning will help with that. Just trying to get it to look a little more like lay flat and look decent. Last night after I got out of the shower, I did not brush it. I just slept on it. So yeah, it's pretty much like, I didn't expect a miracle or anything. And I'm wondering if you were to continuously use that box, if it would ever get to that level of platinum, because that is like super salon style, like platinum. You guys let me know though, maybe there's someone out there who has used it on already bleach blonde hair and they actually did get that. But yeah, I feel like the bleaching videos are the most popular on my channel, and so I wanted to go ahead and do one. It's always a little nerve-wracking, and here I am. I have to work with this moving forward, but I hope you guys stay tuned so that you see me hopefully tone this and get it looking right. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.